Hi, we're here today with AAH Pharmaceuticals to introduce our Datalive Digital Fleet Compliance. We're going to be assessing some maintenance and damage of the vehicles with our driver check and our vehicle check.
Yep.
Should we get on with it?
Let's go.
Let's go.
I like it very well because it's very fast. You don't have to write on the paper. You just take 5 minutes to put everything on the tablet, and it's easy to work with. I prefer this one because it's easy.
Would you be able to take a photo as well? From a driver's perspective, I think it is got quite an easier way of actually doing the checks, and the photos will definitely help the future prevention of damaging from the van.
We just got a driver to do a check, then I've gone after him to make sure that he's not missed any damage or any defects on the vehicle, and all it took us was about 5 minutes. I'm now logged in onto Datalive software, and I'm going to check the dashboard to see how many van checks and the driver checks have been completed this morning. I'm also going to see if there's any defects that have been raised by the driver or myself and what action is required. I can now see how many checks have been completed. If we go on a driver check, I can show you an example of the driver check completed this morning. This is the history of the vehicle. This is the damages, this is the conditions, and as you can see, after the driver has completed a check this morning, there is automatically a defect being raised for the driver indicator lens. All we need to do is now assign a repairer to it, and I'm going to assign this to our local repair garage, which is in front.
So here we are at In Front Autos. Let's take a look inside.
Hi, I'm Andy from In Front Autos. We're here today to look at the new data compliance software that AAH have asked us to use. Let's have a look at the defects we've got. I'm on the defect dashboard now. I've had this request come through. Just going to open it up and have a look at that. It has a broken repeater lens. This is another AAH vehicle we've had come in today. A few defects on it. We're going to work through it and then upload the invoices to the portal.